naunsaon na lang na. See? Tuturuan ko rin kayo, pagka ang sistema ay binary or triple matrix, in most Asian countries and other parts of the world, it is considered as illegal. Pagka ang multi-level marketing ay binary, for example, if you're in Taiwan, within 24 hours, nasa kalaboso ka na. Mas lakas pa nga ang Pilipinas. Sinasara lang nila. In binary system, ay yumayaman lang dyan yung sinasabi nilang pioneer. In binary system, you should understand that if it is 2 legs at hindi ka nakabuo ng isa, wala kang tatanggapin ni isang kusing. And you will be forced to release some capital para magbalanse siya. So, pag nakatanggap ka ng pera, gagamitin mo lang yan para bayaran yung mga in-advance mo. Very exciting business. And as on the banking, if you may ask me as a banker, itindihin nyo lang to. If you are asked to give $300 and you receive only a paper, at sasabihin magkompleto ka ng left and right para buuin mo yung 400, $300 with 1,000 people signing in is $300,000. Next question, saan pupunta ngayon yan? Sa taas, sa nauna. Cost of money. Ikaw, wala. Puro pangarap lang. Puro pangarap na hindi mararating. Magiging frustration. So, company ng Forever, anong Forever Living? 23 years in the business. Since 1978. Forever Living, who are the people behind? Wow! 50 years na pinag-aralan yung produkto para ma-stabilize yung aloe vera, at yung mga tao behind are those people who are well-versed in aloe vera products business. Our company is in 78 countries worldwide. It's now official. Dati sinasabi natin 76 countries. Well, of course, I had the opportunity to attend the World Rally last April in London, England. And there, the chairman of the board, our president, Mr. Rexmond, announced to us that it's not 76 countries. As of April of this year, we are now in 78 countries. Ano yung nadagdag? Nigeria and Turkey. So, nasa 78 bansa na tayo. Anong indication yan? It's an indication that we are well entrenched all over the world. Ano ibig sabihin yan? We've already gained global acceptance. Hindi tayo yung sinusubukan pa lang. Ang ibang developed countries ang ginagawa, dinadala na sa Asian countries yung mga produkto, ginagawang mga guinea pigs. Ang ating kumpanya, 23 taon na, 78 countries worldwide. We are the largest privately owned company in the state of Arizona and the 6th fastest growing privately owned company in the whole of the United States. Company in the Philippines, FLB Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, you will be blown away. I'm very excited to talk about our company insofar as Philippine operation is concerned. Ito pa rin ang isang magandang malaman nyo. Hindi lahat ng successful multi-level marketing in developed countries like US and Europe, pag pumunta sa Asia, magiging successful. It all depends on the marketing plan and the acceptability of the product. One very, very big and old company that came to the Philippines is, of course, Amway. Amway is also very successful in many developed countries and some Asian countries. Unfortunately, hindi pa talaga sila maka-breakthrough sa Philippine market. But we welcome their presence here. Titingnan mo pa rin yung acceptability ng produkto. Meron ba yang nakukuha doon sa merkado na mas barato? Yung marketing plan ba nila maganda talaga? Again, I can't help but share with you, last night I talked with another downline, and he was being recruited at Amway. The guy was so excited, so passionate about Amway, and said he was already about 5 years in the business, at sabi niya, sus, maganda rito, malaking kikitain mo. Magkano check mo ngayon? 5 years ka na, 100,000 pesos. Kay June Enduma lang mana. 100,000 sa Forever is just an income of a manager who has been in the business for 1 or 2 years. Pag nag 5 years ka sa Forever, nasa 300 to 500,000 pesos ka na. Salamat sa inyong palakpakan ulit. Yeah. So, Philippines started in 1991. Hindi masyadong pinansin ng mga Pinoy kasi aloe vera, alam natin, shampoo lang. Pag sabing kakainin o iinumin, ayaw ng Pinoy. Pero by 1995, after just 4 years, out of 55 countries worldwide, the Philippines became number 12 in the world in terms of sales. 4 na taon pa lang ha, nakakaraan ha. 1996, out of 60 countries, the Philippines became 7th largest in the world. By 1996, incidentally, was the time when professionals like me, Attorney Santa Maria, Attorney Ponferrada, Bart Espino, resigned and joined the business on a full-time basis. By 1997, this was the first explosion of FLP in the Philippines. 1997 was our banner year. Out of 65 countries worldwide, the Philippines, our native land, became the 3rd largest in the world. We registered a sale of 900 million pesos. 900 million. By 1998, we were already 70 countries worldwide, and we retained our position at 3rd place. And by 1999, ladies and gentlemen, 1999 again was another mega explosion of FLP in the Philippines. Out of 72 countries worldwide, the Philippines became the 2nd largest in the world. 8 taon. We registered a sale of over 1 billion pesos. 1999. Doon sa mga negosyante at sa mga tinitingnan ng future ng Forever Living, tingnan nyo pa lang ito, kahit na hindi kayo college graduate, dito nyo makikita na ang sekreto ng Forever Living ay hindi sa marketing plan. Hindi doon sa binibigay na kotse. Hindi sa travel abroad. It's the efficacy of the product. It is the repeat order. If you'll come to me and tell me na, di ko mapalit ana kay mahal man na, gamay na may kapalit ana, basig ikaw ray wala pa kapalit. Kaya nga naman, we have already made a sale of over 1 billion pesos. What is surprising about the business of Forever in the Philippines as a company is by year 2000, it was not a very bright year for the Philippines insofar as economy is concerned. Tama ba? Unstable political condition. Yung gasoline continues to increase. Devaluation of peso. Hindi ka na makatulog. Hindi mo alam kung ano mangyayari. And many businesses were affected. Hindi masaya. Hindi lamang politicians ang hindi masaya. Ang hindi masaya mga negosyante. Ano ba yung year 2000 for FLP Philippines? Ambot lang kung makatulog pa mo ani. By year 2000, while owners of companies can no longer sleep, ninenervous kung ano mangyayari, FLP Philippines, year 2000, registered the highest sales revenue for the year from 91 to year 2000. We exceeded 1.1 billion. Di ka pa mabuang ana nga bagsak ng ekonomiya, taas pagyapon ang atong sales. It's an indication that our products are indeed excellent. It's very good. Kisa may nagpalit atong year 2000, kana mga negosyante nga nagka-problema. Taas ang blood pressure, palitog Arctic Sea. Na-stressful ang kinabuhi, inom og aloe vera gel. Dapat ito, tingnan nyo itong mabuti yung mga taong mahilig mag-analyze. Kung nidako ang sales aning dili na gani mayong ekonomiya, nasamot na karon. We're slowly recovering. You should know that our first quarter sales in year 2001 registered an increase of over 25% as of last year. Oh. Yan ang kumpanya ng Forever Living. Why you should choose FLP? Look into the products. Now, eto, learning experience para sa inyo. Alam nyo kasi, in my experience doing the business of Forever for the past 5 years in a full-time basis, unang-una, na pwede kong sabihin readily, even if I just meet you for the first time, ngayon, alam ko in this room today, some of you are involved in other MLM companies. I know. I can see in your faces. Nakikita yung produkto nyo sa mukha. Although karamihan sa inyo, combo pa kantingin ko. But I'm sure some of you are trying other companies. Lalo-lalo kung nakita nyo, ang lalaki na ng cheque ng mga taga rito, masyado kayong nai-insecure. Lalo na kung malaki ang posisyon nyo sa ibang kumpanya. Gusto nyo lumipat ng kumpanya para compete sa inyo. Lalo na yung apply nyo. Look, if you choose a company, you must make sure, number one, that they have a product to sell. Kasi kung walang produkto, lalong hindi mo dapat gawin yung negosyo yun kasi pyramiding scheme yun. Network of people without products is plain and simple pyramid scheme. At diyan ka pwedeng makalaboso. Now, kung may produkto ang sinalihan mo at hindi Forever Living, cardinal rule, it must be consumable. Why? Because in the business of networking or multi-level marketing, for you to have a sustainable income, kailangan ang produkto mo ay may repeat order. Paano magkaka-repeat order ang ginto? Kinakain ba yon? Hindi. Paano magkaka-repeat order ang sinasabing e-commerce? Pwede ka bang mabuhay na walang PC sa bahay mo? Pwede? Of course, pwede. Wala naman nakakaalam kung ano yung PC karamihan sa atin. Philippine Constabulary sa atin noon. At ang mouse, ang alam natin, daga lang yan. Remember, you want to have a sustainable income, you want to build a career in multi-level marketing, your products must be consumable. I-share ko sa inyo ang testimony ng asawa ko. Many years ago, she was one of the top distributors, if not the top distributor, of a cookware company based in Canada, Bellcraft of Canada. She was doing so well, kasama niya ako parati sa mga pagsa-seminar, and she became top distributor for 2 years. Yumaman ba kami? Hindi. Kasi yung produkto, surgical, stainless steel, 7-ply pagyud. Normally, yung binibili nyo na magaganda dyan sa Ayala o dyan sa Shumart, 3-ply lang yan. Yung aming binibenta, 7-ply, perting bagaa. Surgical, stainless pagyud, rust-proof. Kana bitaw ka na, kung ihapak ni mo sa ulo, mabuak na imong ulo, kana solid ra gyapon. Inaana ka gwapo. So anong wala man minadato? Because the products are of quality, ang warranty niya, 7-ply manggod, is lifetime. Sa ato pa, mamatay ka na lang, walay repeat order. Klaro? Kaya, ang sasalihan nyo, tingnan nyo muna kung ano yung produkto, ha? Tingnan nyo. Kaya kung okay lang, we always wish you well. Remember, pagka yung mga downline nyo, lumipat ng ibang kumpanya, ipagdasal nyo pa rin na maging successful. I-congratulate nyo. Wag na wag nyong aawayin. Alam nyo kung bakit? Be inspired with the song, Babalik Ka Rin. Tendency, pagka inaway mo, hindi na babalik, maulaw naman, o masako sa imo. Pero mo, unta, successful ka ha, i-pray yun ako na masuccessful ka. Karon, kung dili gani mo, balik ka ha. Kay hulaton lanti ka. Sa imong naon lang mo, balik, mangganig yun, kay sigurado yun. Ayaw yun, awaya, in taon. Ayaw. Now, produkto ng Forever Living. Unang-una, we are backed up with 6 international quality seals of approval. Kasi unang-una sinasabi natin, dapat may produkto and it should be of quality. Consumable products and of quality. Forever Living. 6 international quality seals of approval. Malalaman nyo ang details niyan sa product demo. United States Food and Drug Administration, United States Department of Agriculture, Islamic Seal of Approval, International Aloe Science Council Seal of Approval, kosher rating, European Economic Community Labeling Laws, and of course, the local BFAD. Okay? Efficacy of the product, meron tayong money back guarantee. Efficacy of the product, makikita nyo sa ating sales revenue every year. Pataas ng pataas. Consumable mga produkto natin? Of course. Consumable. So, lahat falls within the parameters of a good networking business or multi-level marketing business. Ang sunod ay ang marketing plan. Siyempre, wala naman tayo sa social welfare dito. We don't touch the lives of people and we don't make money. Of course, we touch the life of people and we want to make money. Tama ba? Who wants to make money? Siyempre, no? Kailangan kumita rin tayo, hindi lamang sa, I touch the lives of people, magaling na siya. May pera ka, wala. Hindi pwede. Dapat kikita ka rin. Now, why do I want you to join FLP and focus your effort in FLP? This is the marketing plan of Forever Living. Imagine this as a cake. A mouth-watering cake like Black Forest. Sarap, di ba? Gutom na mo? Ay, lilipas din yan. Okay lang, relax na kayo dyan. Sa ibang kumpanya, ang kanilang marketing plan is also likened to a mouth-watering cake. Kaya lang, kung idadramatize mo, parang cake yan na napakasarap katulad ng Forever, pero yung mga distributors is only for them to see and appreciate the cake. Dili para kaunon. Manang ginaingon nga, apil ka diri sa Forever, 1 million sa amo, naapoy ka kita anak. Asa man, unsa may ngalan? Kuan, wala pa, pero hapit na na. Auto sa inyo, Mercedes, so sa amo, naapod. Kinsa may nakanaana, ana, diya sa Hong Kong, Malaysia. Sa amo, hapit na pod. Puro hapit na. Some people are even so exaggerated para ikaw mabalhin na bitaw ka. Ayun na po, every pursisi, sus, magsisi ka lang diya. Dito ka sa amin, sali ka dito, diyan sa inyo, sus, Mercedes-Benz, sa amo na may helicopter o aeroplano. Inyo, US, sus, ay ka-excited ng US, kaysa amo, makato na ka sa bulan. Puro mga exaggerated, at saka yung may mga marketing plan na pinakikita sa'yo na hindi naman pwedeng mangyari. Now, I would like to show you the marketing plan of Forever Living, where so many people have been enjoying for the past 10 years. In fact, yung mga leaders nyo dito, powerful leaders dito, have been enjoying this. And this cake is not only for you to see and appreciate. Kinakain ito araw-araw. Kinakain namin to. Makakain nyo rin ito if you decide to do it on a full-time basis. Pero, gusto kong makita nyo kung ano ba yung na-enjoy namin. Hindi ito drawing. Hindi ito katangisip. US travel. Sino gusto mong pumunta sa States ng libre? Taas na kamay. Alam nyo, yung mga talagang excited na gusto ang negosyo, madaling pataasin ang kamay. May mga taas ang kamay, anak dayon. Ito mga... Para maapil na lang. Ang uban, mas grabe, di mo tasog kamot. Imbes na mo tasog kamot. Dito, sabihin mo sa katabi mo, hindi ako yun. Sabihin mo sa kabila, baka ikaw yun. US travel, alam nyo ba? Sa ibang kumpanya, may US travel pero lisod kaayo kuhaon o kaya ang nakakapunta lang yung top. Yung top 1, di ba? Yung number 1. In Forever Living, grabe. Grabe ang travel dito. 1,500 case credits. Group sales pagyod. Unya, isa katuig ka na. Unya, ang paadtuon pagyod sa US travel, agay, husband and wife. Good for 2, unya tagaan pagayod ikaw og $500. Wow! US travel, tinuod ba ka na? Pila na ba'y nakaadto? I would like to tell you my story. Many years ago, ang akong kinabuhi is like some of you here today. Simpleng kinabuhi lang. Gaya nung kausap ko the other day. Ayokong yumaman, Edmond, kasi gusto ko simpleng buhay lang. Power. Ganon din ako nung unang panahon, simpleng buhay. Nga naman. Kasi nung unang panahon, hindi ako mangarap magpunta ng US. Ang pangarap ko makapunta lang ng Manila. Kaya nga naman, taga dito man may sa bukid nga layo kayo sa Oriental Mindoro. Dito ko kapuyo. Sa bayan, sa lumang bayan, San Teodoro, Oriental Mindoro. Naka-eskwela ko sa mababang paaralan ng lumang bayan, San Teodoro, Oriental Mindoro. Mababa na luma pagyud. You can just imagine my environment. Kini karon si Edmond, nagwapo ko yung sanina. Gwapo ko sanina? Gwapo kayo. Sa unang panahon, wala ko nagdamgo nga US travel kay San Teodoro, Oriental Mindoro, agoy. Luya kay mga tao, wala pag kuryente. Ang among balay payag nga basta magbagyo gani, innocent as we are during that time. Magbagyo gani kusog ang hangin, lipay kami kay mag-ana among pano, ang among payag, ang kanang bongbong ba? Sagit-sagit na tayo, manlusot ang mga kahoy diha, mga sos. Kunya walay ambisyon ang mga tao, walay dreams. Nga naman, walay kuryente, wala gani TV. Radyo-radyo, abigon, go, 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 now da, Ang akong dam ko sa una, makantog Manila, kaya ako'y nadunggan Manila, gwapo kayo, na TV, na mga truck, nagko kayo, ano ba? And I never dreamed of going to the States. Kay pareha, like most of you today, pobre gyapon ko, I came from a humble family, average family. Tatay ko, government employee, nanay ko, public school teacher. Teacher ko gani sa atong grade 5, kaya first honor ako nun. Pero, nung ako'y nakapagtrabaho na sa Manila, I imagine myself going to the States. Kay exciting mo kayo magunaw na nga naka sa abroad, labi na makita kag snow, ana. So I thought I would be able to go to the States when I retire. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, huwag kang maalala. Darling, when I retire from Metrobank at the age of 55, mag-second honeymoon tayo. Lugay na kayo ba, 55? Mauna akong damgo, but then, ladies and gentlemen, ito personal testimony lang. In 1993, mauna to, gidala na ako sa akong misis. Lipay kay ko, excited kay ko. 1993. From 1993 to year 2000, this humble son of a public school teacher, galing sa bayan ng lumang bayan, San Teodoro, Oriental Mindoro. For the past 8 years, me and my wife, sometimes with my children, have already traveled to 40 countries worldwide. Sobra-sobra na. Pila ba'y makaadto? Kami lang ba? Dili top distributor. For as long as you meet 1,500 case credits, you are qualified. In fact, I'm so happy that even here in Cebu, There are already a lot of our leaders who have gone to the States many times already. Sumuna kayo. For the past 8 years, nakapunta dati, nakakapunta kami, 6, 7, 8, 10. Alam niyo ba, for the last 3 years, from 1998, 99, year 2000, ang nakapunta sa States, ang average delegation ng Pilipino ay 100 people. 100. Kaya ibig sabihin niyan, yung pagtaas nyo ng kamay na yan, ngayon pa lang tumataas kayo, pero baka next year kasama na rin kayo. At gusto kong ma-imagine nyo kung ano yung biyahe sa States. Alam nyo ba, pag nagbiyahe kayo doon, wow, hindi the small time. Pag biyahe nyo pa lang, pagdating doon, susunduin kayo ng first class tourist bus o limousine. Amerikano pa ang driver. No. Huh? And then after that, you will be brought to 5-star hotel with welcome fruits and drinks. You're going to eat in the finest restaurants. You're going to visit exciting places like Disneyland, Universal Studios, Grand Canyon. You're going to go to Las Vegas. You're going to meet the top distributors in 78 countries worldwide and experience the life of the rich and famous for at least 12 to 15 days. Tulo ka bulan ako to gi-memorize. Lami mang yun imagine nun, labi na kung first time ka mo abot, grabe, lami yung game feeling. In 1993, when I went to the States, I cannot imagine myself being there. Wala ko na imagine. So pag nauna ko, mura slow motion yung pag naog. Hi, kagawin pa sa feeling. Na-imagine na hinon ako katong nag-appeal bitaw last year, katong mga first timer sa Manila o taga-din first timer. So grabe kayo, basta first timer ka ba? Stop over na mo. Asa sa Korea man siguro nag-stop over ato. Pag stop over pa lang sa Korea, katong mga first timer, unom karolyo nga 36 shots, hurot na dayon. Kay kada lihok bitaw, manahog sa aeroplano. Mag-CR na hingalan di nga Korea. Picture ko be? Oh! I'm really very happy for people who goes there for the first time. Makita mo talaga ang ilang excitement. Mura bitaw, nibalik sa pagkabata bitaw. Naay mo sulod sa although na sa Manila, mo sulod diya sa mga hotel, unya abrihan unya kalit lang mo abri kay automated man pag ana. Kay naabri naman daan. Pag-iisa nagadto sa CR, kuya, paano ba ito buksan? Gitanaw niya. Gitanaw. Nang gripo diya Nay gripo niya. Sige niya gunitan diri sa man gunitan niya diri tanan. Wala may tubig, wala. Ano po sa Manila, di man tayo ignorante anak. Kato di ay, ana na ni mo imong kabot, mahulog ang tubig. So pag ana niya, uy, napama, uy, ala. So, napag-iisa, nag-atumi sa hotel na 5-star hotel. 5-star hotel nga, dugay, kayo naligo. Asa nga dugay ba kayo kadiha? Kadyot lang, kuya, kadyot lang, hapit ako mamaman. Sos, pagsulod na mong anong basa man imong kwan? Marong basa man imong siyan nga na may shower diha na. Nadi shower? So, ang gibuhat niya, mao ni ang bathtub, na-shower diha, na-tubig dire, giabrihan tubig, nagkuha ka ng, sa McDonald's, bitaw nga baso, sige sa butang direg. Pero, ang bottom line, gikatawan nyo, sila nakapunta sa States ka mo, wala. Yes, sabi. Sunod. Car incentive. Alam niyo ba yung dati nga na iniisip ko na buhay, noong unang panahon, hindi ko ma-imagine bakit ako so excited about the business right now. It's simply because of the life that I'm living. I live a very fulfilling life. Dati nagre-revolve around banking, kliyente, subordinates, and people around the bank. And my family. Ngayon, in Forever Living, alam nyo, because of the travel incentive, me and my wife and my children always look forward to travel to other countries. In fact, ngayong this August, the group is going to leave for Vancouver, Canada. In fact, yung mga leaders nyo, andito ngayon nasasama. Sino yung mga sasama sa Vancouver? Pakitayo nga para malaman nila na hindi lamang ako. Sina Albert, syempre, Albert sa Lee, nandito si Chris and May. Yan, si Dowell and Myla. Sino yung mga nag-qualify? Ha? Oh. Ha? Oh, sina Lito at saka Gigi. Oh, Lily, Nelly at saka si Harry. So, marami, Si Johnny Chu, at saka yung lovely wife niya, kita nyo. So, mga Bisaya, gyapon na, parehan ninyo. Ako gyapon, Bisaya man ko. Kaya, totoo yan, And you see, when you become successful, you don't only look forward to US travel. If you become like us, you become successful, you'll also have the chance to travel to other places like Europe. I've traveled to Europe. Eastern Europe, pinakamalayo. I went to Poland, Warsaw, Poland, Czech Republic, Slavic Republic, and as far as Hungary, Budapest. 1997 pa yun. I'm so excited just 2 months ago. In April, this son of a public school teacher has traveled to London, England. I had the opportunity to visit the famous Buckingham Palace and do shopping at the most expensive place in London, Harrods of London. Nagkaroon ako ng pagkakataong mag-golf sa Scotland. Our last leg was to visit the palace-like FLP office in Dublin, Ireland. So, kita nyo, Utosoy? Grabe. Car incentive, kinsa gusto magka-auto nga libre? Tasa kamay. So, sa Forever Living, grabe, nagbaha ang auto. Dito na lang sa Cebu mismo ang mga apply nyo. Sino ba yan? Nissan Patrol meron? Pajero? Ano pa? Expedition? Mercedes-Benz, malapit na. Balita ko. Okay, Series 5 na BMW. Nasa inyo, nakikita nyo na. Kung sa man yung gisulti, okay raman ko, maglakaw ra ko, kay exercise man naglakaw. Okay ra nang lakaw, exercise, tulo ka bulan, pero kung 30 katuig na kasi lakaw, magkasakit na ka, no? Asmahon na ka. Car incentive, alam nyo, ganun din ang akin. Kaya nga, gusto ko yung ma-inspire sa istorya ko, kasi nung unang panahon, wala naman akong sasakyan din. I was just an ordinary person. In fact, nung bata pa ako, naalala ko yung buhay ko. Sos, paborito sa akong papa nga ipalit sa ako. Every year, kanang sapatos nga Spartan. Ang uban sa inyo, wala mo kaila. Spartan, itom ang kulay. 1 year, 1 Spartan. When I graduated, and I worked, ang akong ambisyon, magka-auto bang yun, kay mas lami, mag-yun na isakyanan, di ba? So, nagpalit ko, second hand, third hand, fourth hand, nawan ako kaila, usahay, kay, maura man ang maka-afford ko. Ang ma-afford ko. And most of the time, vivid memory ko, yung gasolina, ginatanaw na ko, sige lag na asai. Enough. Sige lag ka enough. But then, when I became manager of Metrobank, maunang po na ang highlight sa akong employment career. When I became manager, binigyan ako ng brand new Toyota Corolla. Wow, happy ako for 1 year. Bakit? First time ako naka-brand new car. Sa excitement na ako, kanang plastic bitaw, wa na ako gitanggal for 1 year. Para ingnon niya, bago ba? So, ang mga sa likod-galingkod, ma-slide o sa hayo, sa man yung plastic, na okay lang na bay kay bago manggod na. Pero sa katuig na, kung madawat, ibutang na po ng plastic. But then, in Forever Living, I'm so happy to let you know that you will really be financially free. Katulad ko po, yung tao na dating walang sasakyan. Sa totoo lang ngayon, kung unsay color sa akong sanina, mo ng color sa akong auto. Well, yellow nga auto, paliton ko pa. Wala man ko yellow nga auto. Well, anyway, just some of the cars that I have that is very, very notable. Yung latest 3 na nabili ko, aside from the several cars I bought for the past 5 years. Well, unang-una na, noong 1996, because of the excitement of my wife that I resigned, she gifted me with a 1.4 million 4x4 Pajero, Mitsubishi Pajero. Yun ang una kong sasakyan. Salamat sa inyong palakpak. Diba? And mind you, I was the first distributor in the Philippines to own a 4x4. 1996 pa yun. And of course, in year 2000, we bought a Nissan Frontier, 1,050,000 pickup. Yes. Through the car incentive program of Forever Living. And because we are hardworking, we made major breakthroughs in international networking. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, I promise myself that I will gift her with her dream car when we make good in India. In just 3 months, I really made good that I have now a very, very big network in India. In fact, I was supposed to go there last week. Pinospone ko lang ngayon July because I miss you all. Safe. But we worked so hard that last January, I ordered a customized car. Alam nyo, sa Forever, dito ka lang pwede para ba sapatos na ipa-customize ba? Dito sa Forever, I ordered a customized car direct from Hamburg, Germany. The first owner of year 2000 model, Mercedes-Benz E-Class, Edmond and Lonnie Ramos. Not just an ordinary Mercedes, but it is specifically made based on what we want. Color combination inside, the features and everything, specifically made with for Edmond and Lonnie Ramos na taga Forever Living Products. Yes! Okay. Anong sunod? Marketing plan, you can be a manager, and when you become a manager, you'll have the chance to make at least 30,000 up to 1.2 million per month. Wow. You'll be blown away. May mga inimbita tayo, sabi mo 30,000. Kinikita ko yan. 15 days ko lang na sweldo yan. Okay lang. 60,000, okay lang. 100,000. 200,000, yung boss ko kinikita yan 200,000. 300,000, naku, sweldo yan ng president ng Metrobank. Kinikita sa employment. Paano ngayon kung 1.2 million? May masasabi ka ba? Look, if your dream is to really make a difference and make the money that can help you make your dreams come true, that can help, that can make your loved ones very happy in life, I'm sure you're going to do it. And that's only in Forever Living. Sino gusto kumita ng 1 milyon sa isang buwan? Taas ang kamay. Given the option. Anong dili kay usahay? Di ko mukita na kay dakora kay naway, makasalata na. People who says that money is the root of all evil are those people who doesn't have money. Bakit? After all, i-relate mo yung pera to plant it in good grounds. Relate money with good education for your children. Relate money by giving to the underprivileged o yung mga yung sa abandoned children. Relate money with giving a better life to the remaining years of the life of your parents. Good money is good life. It's not even biblical. It's the love of money is the root of all evil. So mag-ambisyon ka na kumita ng 1 milyon. Okay lang. Just be excited. Can you just imagine, ngayon tatanggap pa ng 1 milyon? Hirap ubusin, di ba? The following month, meron na naman. The following month. Saan na nga? 1.2, nga naman nakaulsulti ko 1.2 million. Namin tao na dili mo to, Di ba sinasabi, I'm talking about the marketing plan. You see, you can only find in Forever Living, it is only in our company where you can find people receiving 1 million a month. And you should believe us. Because if you see someone who says, I make 1 million and you don't know him, you won't even believe him. Basig pangutanan mo, nagkaon na ka ba? Nagkaon na ba ka? Baka nalilipasan ka lang ng gutom. Ladies and gentlemen, you must believe me. Yung mga first-timers, you must do this business so forever. Because if you work so hard, this is where you're going to see the law of infinite wealth. And it's going to happen. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Dream as far as your mind can dream. Walang limit ito. There are no limits. I cannot imagine myself making this kind of money. But ladies and gentlemen, you should believe me because as early as October 1997, it has remained unbroken. October 1997, it's only in Forever Living that the company paid a couple at least 1.2 million in 1 month. And you should believe me, sapagkat ang kumita ng 1.2 million in October 1997 ay walang iba, kundi ako po. Tunay na tao, katulad nyo, Bisaya gihapon, in flesh and blood. You have to believe me. Why? Because my present is your future. Why will you be investing time with a company who's just opened this month, last year, promising you the sun and the moon, 1 million, 2 million, nakamo mismo na ano mo dire, nakikita nyo yung taong kumikita, nakakamayan nyo pa. Common sense. Why will you waste your time in a company na wala pang track record na ito 10 taon na? And people in Cebu and in the Visayas are enjoying already the benefits. All you have to do is just follow them. It's not yet late. Joining today is the best time for you to join in FLP. Had you joined in 96, 97, baka madali ka mag-give up. Ngayon, madali na. Wala nang tago-tago ngayon. Apil ka sa Forever. Maunin mo makuha kung ma-apil ka. Sulti lang ko daan, kay kung dili ka, lakaw na ko. Ngayon, wala nang tago-tago na business opportunity, American company, no. Pakita mo lang ang resulta. Ito, taga-dirigya po, Bisaya ni, 4x4 ang sasakyan. Pila kayo na, 2 years, 3 years. Gikanin sa dako company, Shell Company, Shell Philippines. Dati itong kinikita, ito na kinikita niya ngayon, itong sasakyan niya, galing sa abroad, apil ka dili. Ganyan lang kasimple. Kasi alam nyo ngayon, ito yung mega trend. Ito yung hindi na trial and error. Ito yung pinipili na lang yung mga tao na interesado. If you're not interested, then I find other people who are interested. That's why you have to do it fast. Profit sharing. Naalala ko nung ako'y empleyado, kung ako'y nasa kumpanya pa, yung profit sharing, when we talk about profit sharing, we talk only about a few thousand pesos. Pero ang profit sharing sa Forever Living, parang ito yung retirement money mo, sa 40-year plan mo, sa 40 years sa pinagtrabahuan mo. Profit sharing sa Forever for the last 4 years, pinakamababang natanggap ng profit sharing manager, 50,000. Magkano pinakamalaki? 13.3 million. Sa isang taon, ha? Hindi ito sa 9 na taon. From 50,000 to 13 million, depending on the requirements if you have accomplished, if you have complied with level 1, 2, or 3 profit sharing. It depends on the network that you have established. It depends on the case credits that you have accumulated. From 50,000 to 13.3 million. Last year, ang pinamahagi is over 30 million na profit share. Ganyan kabait ang may-ari ng kumpanya. Hindi lang yung trickle ba? Katulad nung nasa bangko ako, ang income ng bangko in 1995 was 3.5 billion. 3.5 billion net income. Mind you, modesty aside, in 1995, I was one of the 10 outstanding branch managers in the Philippines. Salamat sa inyong palakpakan. And because of my accomplishment, we were honored at the Manila Intercon. And I was so excited. Nga naman, top 10 branch manager, unya, 3.5 billion ang income sa ato pa profit sharing. Dako kaya mong dawaton, di ba? Dako, good. We were there at Manila Intercon. We were recognized. And you know what was presented to me by management? They were so happy for my accomplishment. I was presented with a plaque of recognition. Sounds familiar to you, ha? Yung minsan sa atin, ayaw mag-forever, they're so proud about plaques of recognition. So, 20 ka kilo na. Surrounding your office. Come to think of it, dapat kalimutan natin yung recognition. Bottom line na ang isipin natin. Recognition alone will only make you happy. Ikaw lang. Pamilya mo, makaon ba ng recognition? Dili. Forever living na para sa pamilya. Recognition para sa sarili. Plaque of recognition plus 15,000 ang binigay sa akin. Last year, last January 27, 2001, or about 5 months ago, ang share namin doon sa 30 million is, kaming mag-asawa receive 5,199,000. So, if you work so hard and you become like us, para bang every year nagre-retire ka? Para bang every year kung may insurance policy ka, para nagmamature ang insurance mo taon-taon? Para bang namamatay ka taon-taon? Kaya lang dito, buhay ka na, may pera ka pa. And of course, last is the inheritance income. Yung diniscuss ko sa inyo, yung inheritance income, ito yung sa Tagalog ay pamana. Look, sino may family dito? May mga anak. Taas ako eh. Kahit walang asawa, basta may anak. O yan. Okay. You see, kaya sinabi ko, you work for your children, right? Kaya kayo nagtatrabaho sa inyong kumpanya pagtatrabaho so that when you grow old, ang anak nyo naman malaki na, gusto nyo maganda ang future nila, sigurado. In fact, binibilhan nyo pala sila ng mga for college education, di ba? Yung mga plans. Look, work so hard in Forever Living. If you become like us, or even just half like us, and make like 300,000, 400,000 pesos a month, alam nyo yung mga anak nyo will have a secured future. Because under the inheritance income policy, you can transfer your position and your income to any of your children. Think about this today. Have this realization. If you work in a company, you will be working for the next 40 years. When you retire, yung retirement money mo will just be for your upkeep until you die. Sigurado, after 40 years, marami ka na rin sakit. 101%. And based on statistics, 95% of people who retire are either dead or dead broke. Kaya pag-isipan yung mabuti. Lahat tayo, siguro malalakas pa tayo ngayon. We think that we are invincible, but one day, we will just be fertilizing the plants. Look back. When you look back, titingnan nyo kung ano yung nagawa nyong buhay. Ngayon pa lang, isipin nyo na kung ano yung pinakamagandang bagay na dapat yung gawin. And to me, wala nang iba, kundi mag-forever na kayo. Ha? Biro nyo, mag-retire kayo, yan ay pamamana nyo sa anak nyo. Paano na lang sa employment? Presidente ka, pag-retire mo, mamamana ba ng anak mo yung pagka-presidente mo? Hindi, kahit pa summa cum laude siya sa UP. You will start all over again. See? Sa Forever Living, we retire as diamond manager. Praise God. Any of our children can choose to become a diamond manager. Take over the position and the income. When you do Forever, siyempre you should endeavor to be manager. Sino naniniwala mag-manager? Taas ang kamay. Siyempre no, kailangan mag-manager kayo kasi kung AS, mabuti pa magtrabaho na lang kayo. You can just imagine, work here as an AS for 30 years. After 30 years, pamana mo sa anak mo, Dad, anong position ko? AS. Uy, kalami ba na? See? So, eto, pinakikita ko sa inyo, this is our marketing plan, and people has been enjoying this for many, many years. Believe me, you do this business, and your life will never be the same again. So, ngayon, sa tingin ko, desidido na kayo mag-forever. Desidido na ba kayo? Ha? Sinong magpo-forever talaga? Taas ang kamay. Yan. So, ito naman ang dapat nyong pag-isipang mabuti. You must overcome your fear. Ito yung kalaban nyo sa negosyo. Yung takot. Doing something for the first time in your life will create fear in your heart. Kaya nyo mag-forever, dili ko ba na linya? Good. Ayoko kasi, mahihain kasi ako eh. Fear of ignorance. Fear of failure. Come to think of it when you go home, isipin nyo, when was the last time you did something for the first time? Bihira yun. Yung huling panahon siguro na ginawa mo for the first time, nung una kang nagtrabaho. O kaya nung una kang pumasok sa eskwelahan. You don't want to do something again for the first time, lalo na kung nagkakaedad ka na, because you don't want to start all over again. Do you agree? Ayun yung mag-forever kasi ayun yung magsimula ulit. Bakit? To the employees, I'm sorry to say this, but as an employee, you have just created a monster in what we call comfort zone. Ano ba yung comfort zone ng empleyado? Comfort zone ng empleyado, kaibigan na niya yung mga ka-office mate, naka-mindset na siya na 8 to 5 ang kanyang trabaho. Naka-mindset siya na may tatanggapin siyang mid-year bonus at saka Christmas bonus. Naka-mindset siya na meron siyang vacation at saka sick leave. Naka-mindset siya na magtatrabaho siya for the next 40 years and after that, mag-retire siya at hihintayin na lang niya na pumirma yung huling bulati hanggang sa siya ay ilibing. Overcome your fear. There's even fear of success. I don't want to be successful because I don't want even to be seen in public. I don't want to speak in public. That's my fear. Fear of the unknown. Hindi man ka mo apil. Kagwa man ambot lang basta di lang ko mo apil, hindi ko kasi feel. Wala ko kahibalo. Now you can overcome your fear. You want to be successful? Then you can overcome your fear and it's so easy. You just attend the OPP, NDO, and product demonstration. OPP, what the business is all about. NDO, how to do the business. Product demonstration, uses and application of the products. To overcome fear in the business of forever is just to have a good learning attitude. Be humble. Forget about your expertise in other fields. Doctors, engineers, lawyers, we don't need your expertise here. When you enroll in FLP University, all of us are considered as kindergarten. When I joined Forever Living, I forgot about loan packaging. I forgot about foreign currency exchange. Hindi naman pinag-uusapan dito yun eh. Sa FLP University, ang pinag-uusapan, case credits, downline, upline. Have a good learning attitude and learn the basic seminars. 5 times each. Ito, mahirap sagutin minsan. Pagka ang kausap mo graduate ng UP Cebu, ganun pa atin nun man ko mo apply og 5 ka basis nga, sumakum lang man ko. Ika-isa lang ko mo atin ana, okay na na. Nganong balik-balik, OPP, uplan pa ulit-ulit. Ha? Kung dili ka katubag mo ika, sige, tama di ay, o sige na lang. No. You must know how to explain. Why 5 times? Because we believe that repetition is the mother of learning. Ganun lang. Pagtanong ng graduate ng UP, nga namang balik-balik man na. Hey, listen, downline. Repetition is the mother of learning. Oh, anak daw so, uy, maayo mo na akong upline. Repetition is the mother of learning. Bakit? It's just like when you love a song and you keep on listening to it. Kahit hindi mo i-memorize, makinig ka na makinig, it will register to your subconscious mind at makakanta mo. Tama? So, the reason behind why 5 times is, ito, paliliwanag ko sa inyo para marunong kayo magpaliwanag doon sa mga taong bright. Kay bawal pa naman ang bright dito. Pero sige, bitaw, pumunta na. Pero ipaliwanag nyo pa rin for the benefit. Unang-una, 5 times. First time is because we want to excite